Okay, so I wanted to come on here to do a little instruction video on the Google Meet. So I'm here on the apps page. We have sent out myself, Cruz, Aguilar, Mayfield, and Scott Lewis. We all have our individual Google nicknames to be used by students and y'all to be able to log on to Google Meet. Because we are bringing multiple classes together, we all need to have a specific code so that we can have multiple classes in this meet because we're trying to get to all of the homerooms during this virtual time. So students will just be instructed to either go through their apps or they can go to meet.google.com. So I'm just going to go through the apps. So I'm going to click on here and then I'm going to join Miss Aguilar's Meet. So your student will have this option to join a classroom or join a meet, I'm sorry. And they'll be prompted with this screen to put in the meet name. So Aguilar's Meet is Aguilar LMS. Caps does not matter. So here I am joining and my camera is going to run and it says Ashley Aguilar is on this call. Camera failed because I'm currently doing this, but that is all that needs to happen. So here's Aguilar next door. And so, ooh, Inception, that's weird. So just, this will be your student being able to join. So as long as you are giving them these specific codes, we have actually included, I'm going to end this call. Bye, Aguilar. So if you want to include a link to the intervention site, I have included all of the Google Meets nicknames on here with our names and the code next to it. So here's the schedule that you are able to access as well. But just please give this specific Google Meet to your students so that we can all join in together and do this lesson. And then y'all can use this Google Meet as well to be able to log on, to be able to take attendance and stuff like that. So if you have any questions, please email me, sean.irwin@fwic.org, or you can come to my room 225. Thank you.